Honestly, see the text on your
Is it yours? Oh, you mean like because we're...
Because I have the same phone. So.
No, I'm not. I'm an oddball.
Video.
Oh, hi!
You got some talented people here.
Yeah.
Lindsey's phone is very active, so it must be attended to while she's busy.
Yeah. Hey, wait, there's the other birthday girl behind.
Oh.
Hi, baby. Hi, Amy.
Are you excited to be 25? Tell me.
Yes! 25! I'm looking at you cooking. I know. I think I'm gonna be a better cooking. Cooker? Yeah. Cook. Better cook. Yeah. Oh, you do not need better cook. Yeah. I make it now look gross, but I'm making spaghetti. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but hope people like it. It's a fish egg. Fish eggs.
Fish egg. Interesting.
Fish egg. Spicy corduroy. It's from Austin, but it's Japanese. Very expensive. I'm gonna make it for you guys.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you for taking video. Taking other people too. Thank you.
You're the birthday girl.
Yes, I am. We're matching.